McQueen. A McQueen. McQueen box.
McQueen box.
Oh, it's from Cars 2.
Yeah.
Oh, goodness. Another. Oh, my goodness.
Big.
What's
Now that person and the blue one go together.
this part of the birthday?
Yes.
My goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Uh-oh.
What is that?
Marshmallow.
That's right.
Marshmallow.
Something tells me I know what's in that blue box. Uh-oh.
Oh, my goodness.
What is that?
Oh, boy.
Do you know what that is?
Oh.
You shoot the marshmallows out of there. Yeah. Mommy's
Two of them.
Mommy's gonna love that
Oh,
one.
yeah, she had it. Okay, corral.
You think Mommy's gonna like that one?
She might go outside today.
Oh,
What is that?
it's a ball of water.
It's a ball water.
Wait.
Ooh.
What is that, a water balloon?
What do you think about those presents? What do you think about those presents?
Hey, these could go. Then they'll smush. Then the marshmallow will go smush.
Yep, you shoot them at people. You shoot the marshmallows out of the gun. What do you say? Why don't you tell Grandma and Granddad, thank you.
Yeah.
Say it into the phone. Say thank you, Grandma and Granddad.
Thank you, Grandma.
Say I love you.
Love you.